Hi, my name is Arief.
Hello, my name is Haris. When I see you smile, I can face the world. Oh,
My name is Julian.
My name is Akmal.
My name is Firman.
Dan welcome to JKS.
kamu jangan jawab.
My name is Aldy. Baso. Baso. Baso.
Yo guys, today you will learn something new. Now we will teach you about kitchen utensil. You better pay attention to it or I will cut your neck.
Hello everybody. Today I will explain you about griller. But the one I hope this is grill pan. As you can see, griller is for meat. We can grill on it. The one I holding is there is a line. This is for marking. When you place it the meat on the grill pan, you can use for marking so the meat will look beauty. And that's all about explanation of griller, especially grill pan, the one I holding this. Thank you.
Hello everybody, today I will explain about the kitchen utensil, and then this is one of kitchen utensil, cutting board. We know as cutting board for cut the many material of food, yeah, that you want to cook. And then this is the tan color, and then this is the white color for slicing many material. Basically, this cutting board have many of color: green, red, yellow, white, and tan. There has a different purpose, and then basically the cutting board has a basic of material, and then they are wood, plastic, and then rubber. Then don't forget to wet the cutting board before we cut many of material, because it is for avoid the aroma come in to the cutting board. And then don't forget to put the wet towel under the cutting board. It is for to make not sleepy while we cut the material. Maybe it is the explanation of cutting board. Thank you.
Belum deh. Guys, now I want to tell you about frying pan and salties. This item on my right hand salties, and on my left hand frying pan is usually almost same. The difference is frying pan is shorter than salties. It usually it is used to make omelette, pancake, and for pan frying. And then this one is salties. Salties is to saute food. And why salties is taller than pan frying? Because salties is usually when you use salties, you can easily flip the materials on the salties. and and pan frying shorter. If you want to flip the materials on pan frying, you have to use another utensil first. such as wooden spatula or tong. Thank you guys.
Okay, now I'm going to explain two stuff. The first one is juicer. This stuff is used for green hard vegetable and fruit also. This is used just for hard vegetable or fruit because it won't be fiber will not mix with the liquid. And the second one is blender. It is the same with juicer. This is for green vegetable and fruit. But if we green fruit or vegetable with blender, we still left the fiber. So I think this is the juicer is better than blender. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Aldy. Now I want to explain about kitchen equipment. This oven is the part of kitchen equipment. We can use oven for baking, roasting, and maybe poaching for fish, and many kinds of oven like traditional oven, conventional oven, and modern oven. Traditional oven is made from zinc and iron. For conventional and modern oven is made from stainless. Okay. Is the shape of the oven like this? Looks like beautiful. Okay. Thank you for your attention. I think it's enough. And goodbye.
Hello guys. Today I will explain about kitchen utensils, especially kinds of knife. First, this is chef knife or utilities knife, because we can use this knife for everything. For meat maybe, or maybe vegetable, fruit, we can use this. Or you maybe heard about vegetable knife. Yeah, this is chef knife, same as vegetable knife. Second, we have bread knife. This bread knife used for cutting bread. Okay, you can see the zigzag mark here. It is for cutting bread, so the bread won't break up and the shape still good. Third one is boning knife. This boning knife used to debone from chicken or fish, debone the bone from chicken, and use boning knife, or maybe we can do the filleting with this knife too. After that we have small knife. This is kind of emergency knife. So if you do anything urgent, you can use this. You need to hold small knife right here every time. Last one, I will explain about scissor. This scissor used to cut poultry and fish. We trim the fish from skin and the fin, everything with this scissor. So that's all about kitchen utensil, especially knife and scissor. I hope this is useful to us, and goodbye. Thank you. My friends, our clip is about to end.
We hope our clip will be useful for you.
And the conclusion from our clip is, every utensil and equipment in kitchen has their own function. Don't dysfunction every utensil and equipment. So you better watch out and watch your utensil and equipment. And looks like we won't cut your neck because you pay attention to our movie, right?
Don't try this at home.
Don't
Okay?
try.
Okay, thank you for
Okay,
your
thank you for
attention.
attention.
Come on.
Satu, dua, tiga, kicar, kicar, kicar.